If you haven't made over $1,000 posting simple TikTok videos like this one, you need to stop what you're doing and watch this. The easiest way to make money online is not doing anything except short form content. That means 15 to 60-second videos like the one you're watching right now. The best part is you can do this as a complete beginner without any experience. You don't have to do any weird dances, and you don't even have to know what to say. Before we dive into the method, I need you to reply with the word yes in the comments right now if you want me to keep you updated with the best ways to earn money with TikTok. Step number one, you're gonna head over to this website and grab this free checklist of tools that you can get paid to promote with your videos. Step number two, you're gonna click on this yellow link to join the free Facebook group that shows you exactly what you need to do step by step to make money with short form content. Step number three, go to this link and attend our full boot camp where you can join live Zoom calls